Hi guys, welcome to Man United Gang, United's #1 fan channel. Now, Manchester United are going to play Villarreal tomorrow in the Champions League, and therefore I want to do a match preview and also how best Ole Gunnar Solskjaer can set up Manchester United considering the players who are fit in order to go and win that game. So that is what I want to do in this video. But before I do that, as usual, don't forget to support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also like, comment and share the video. And most of all, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way you will know if a new content is out. But for now, let us get straight into this. So, Manchester United against Villarreal at Old Trafford. And remember, this is a massive game and a must-win game for Manchester United after they lost to Young Boys during their first match in the group stages. So it is a must for Manchester United to win if at all they want to qualify to the next round. And therefore, there is that need for Ole Gunnar Solskjaer to make the right decision, choose the correct players who will go and play and give out a good performance that will help Manchester United proceed to the next stage. So straight away, let us look at how best Ole Gunnar Solskjaer can set up Manchester United in order to compete in this game. Remember, Villarreal is not that easy. It is a very tough opponent, and therefore Manchester United must be at their best in order to beat Villarreal. So let us start with the position of the goalkeeper, and to me, David De Gea, he has been on form currently, and therefore to me is going to take that position. So David De Gea takes the position of the goalkeeper. Then now here is where we have a problem, the back four. Remember, Aaron Wan-Bissaka is out, he is suspended. Then Harry Maguire injured, out with a calf injury. Then Luke Shaw also a doubt. So there is going to be a problem in this backline if at all Luke Shaw is not going to be back. Remember, Aaron Wan-Bissaka, it is clear that he is not going to participate in this game. Harry Maguire also, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer has come out and said very clearly that he's not going to participate in this game. Therefore, that leaves two gaps in that defense of Manchester United, with Aaron Wan-Bissaka absent and Harry Maguire absent. Luke Shaw is a doubt, so he can be absent or present. We don't know yet, because Ole Gunnar Solskjaer said that he will confirm tomorrow if he will be fit to play in that game. So how is this backline going to be? To me, I think Diogo Dalot has to come in that right back, because I don't think we have any other right back who can play in that position. Diogo Dalot is the ideal. Not unless Ole Gunnar Solskjaer will be brave enough to play maybe a youngster, which I don't know, because remember, Brandon Williams was another option that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer had. But to me, I think now that he is on loan, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer has only one option, and that is Diogo Dalot. Then centre backs, Rafael Varane, of course, he has to play. Rafael Varane has to play. Then alongside him, I don't think Ole Gunnar Solskjaer trusts Eric Bailly that much. So to me, I think Victor Lindelof comes in. We also have Phil Jones, but of course we know we cannot even remember the last time Phil Jones played for Manchester United. So the center halves will be Rafael Varane and Victor Lindelof. Then we move to the left back. So if Luke Shaw is not going to be back, but to me something tells me that Luke Shaw is going to be back. But if he's not going to be back, then I think Alex Telles has to come in. But I'm very worried because I'm not sure about the condition of Alex Telles, because the last time I heard about him, he had an injury. So I have a doubt, but to me, I think Alex Telles will come in, or maybe he will fit. I don't think his injury was that serious, so he has to come in. Then we move into the midfield. So Ole himself has come out and backed McTominay and Fred, and says that he trusts the duo, and in that he believes that these two players gives him what he requires. But I'm also very worried because we know that with McTominay and Fred in the midfield, Manchester United's midfield lacks that creativity. So I'm not sure about these two, but I think Ole Gunnar Solskjaer will start Fred and McTominay in that midfield just to protect our center halves. But of course, we will see how he will set up. But Fred and McTominay have to come in. Then let us move now to that number 10 spot. Of course, Bruno Fernandes will take that position. Then on the left, remember, if Fred and McTominay will play in the midfield, then Paul Pogba must play. So I think Paul Pogba will start yet again on the left, even though we don't like to see him play in that position. Then on the right, this is now where it becomes interesting. But to me, I think Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is going to go with Jadon Sancho. Remember, Mason Greenwood played over the weekend against Villa, and so I think Jadon Sancho has to come in. Then of course the striker is Cristiano Ronaldo. So this leaves Cavani in a very difficult situation, because I know Cavani must also play, but I think he will be brought in later. But Ole Gunnar Solskjaer also can decide to change the style of play, where he can decide to go with the two strikers, that is Cristiano Ronaldo and Edinson Cavani. So we'll see how it will go, but that is my starting lineup prediction that I think Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is likely to go with. You can as well write your starting lineup in the comment section. Then we can be able to chat together, reason out, and see the possibility of also that lineup that you have chosen. But to me, I will go with David De Gea at the goal, then Diogo Dalot, Rafael Varane, Victor Lindelof, and Alex Telles. Then in the midfield, Fred and McTominay, because Ole apparently trusts them. Then number 10 spot, Bruno Fernandes. On the left, Paul Pogba. On the right, Jadon Sancho. And finally, Cristiano Ronaldo will be the striker. But as I have said, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer can decide to change things, and therefore that will depend on how he would like to play. But remember, this is a massive game, a must-win game for Manchester United, that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is not supposed to mess things up. Remember, if Manchester United will lose this game, then it is going to be a very difficult mountain to climb. Remember, we have to win this game, and that is my hope. So how am I going to predict the score? Remember, Manchester United must win, and therefore after a series of losing games, then I think Manchester United should come out very strongly and teach Villarreal a lesson. So to me, I think Manchester United will win this game 2-0. Remember, this is a very tough opponent to play against. They know how to play, they know how to press, and they will sit back and hit Manchester United on a counter, and they do that very, very well. So I'm hoping that Manchester United are going to be wary of this opponent, and therefore they are going to respond according to how they will bring their game at Old Trafford. But I'm hoping that Manchester United will win this comfortably. 2-0 is my prediction. You can as well write your prediction score in the comment section, then we can be able to chat together. But for now, that is all. That is my starting 11 prediction. I've said you can as well write yours, and I'm hoping that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is going to make a good decision. But for now, I want to thank you for watching. Please, as usual, don't forget to support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, like, comment, and share the video. And most of all, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way you will know if a new content is out. But for now, bye bye.